Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to deploy Lovable project on GitHub. First, open the Lovable website in your browser and make sure your project is already created and available in your dashboard. Now, from the left side, click on your project name to open it. Once the project loads, click on the Edit option from the top right corner so you can access and manage your project files. Next, click on the code icon at the top. This will show all the files inside your project. Select any files to view its content. Then, click on the copy icon to copy the code. You can repeat this for important files if you want to keep a manual backup. After that, click on the code icon again, and at this time, select the GitHub icon from the top right corner. This option is used to deploy or sync your project directly to GitHub. Now, click on Connect GitHub. Then, select Connect Project. This will start linking your Lovable project with your GitHub account. Next, click on Add Organizations. Enter your GitHub username or email address, then type your password to sign in. Once you're logged in, go back and turn on the toggle next to your GitHub organization's name. This ensures your project is connected to the correct repository and ready to be deployed. After connecting, your project will be synced to GitHub. This means all your files will be uploaded to a repository where you can manage version control, track changes, and collaborate if needed. Finally, open your GitHub account and check your repository to confirm that all project files are uploaded successfully. From there, you can continue working on your project, share it with others, or even deploy it using GitHub Pages or other hosting services. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.